Hi there, it's Shell, and I have to tell you, I was having so much fun making these. So here's the one that I made for myself, but I had so much fun, I went ahead and made two more that I am going to put in my Etsy shop. So I just kind of wanted to show this to you guys. So just, they'll be in my Etsy shop, Shell Bears Creations on Etsy, and you can find that link below. So I want to go through them. Let's go through the little snowman one first. So again, this one has the 8 cards and 3 envelopes that I made. I did put a little spine on it, so it's just ribbon that I glued down. And then here's the back. It just has a little flip up and then just a little journaling card here. So I thought these were so fun. You know, they don't take all that long. Probably in a day you can make one. And I had the stuff and I thought, you know, I'd make some in case you wanted one and you didn't have the time or, you know, the items to make it. So again, you can pick these up at my Etsy store. This one does have the 8 charms, and I will go through those. So, the tabs and the charms. I'm just going to kind of go through these pretty quickly. Here is a little pocket. And what I did is I used a lot of just cut-offs, made them into journaling cards. Here I just kind of made a little snowman from a card and then put it on white paper for journaling. And then here is just a little tuck with a little tiny tag. So I didn't fill this up a whole lot, but I wanted there to be enough stuff for you to play with. And I am going to send an envelope full of goodies with each of these books, just so that you have some extras. So here's my little, let me see, here's the charm on here. It is a little reindeer. And then here is some beading that I did for this one. Here I have a flip up. I think that's really cute. This is a shimmery gold paper. And then I put stickers on that say Merry Christmas. And then I just tucked in a little journaling card. And here is just a little tuck spot with some more journaling. And you can trim these down or do whatever you want to. I did leave the envelopes blank, but I think they are so cute. Okay, and this charm is a little wreath. And I love this card. I think it's so pretty. Another flip. And you can journal on this side. Sorry. Journal up here or down here or both, whatever you want to do. Some music paper. Here's a little pocket with some journaling cards, and this one I made it into a pocket and I just put a little card here for writing on. There's a lot in this book for being so small. Another little charm. This one just has a half page flip up. This one was fun. I put a little strand of packages there. Sorry, let me bring it down just a touch. And then I just made a little tag, put some white paper on it. And these are 2 pockets with white on the back for journaling. So there's a lot of journaling space in here, if you want to use it for your December daily or just whatever you want to use it for. If I can get it in there straight. Okay, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay. So here is another journaling spot. I think this is so cute. It has the little snowman, and this was a rub-on. See if I can do it without too much glare. And then this is a little postcard. And here's another envelope. I just think it's so cute. And then a cute little card. This one has a bell on it. Gotta have Belle on Christmas, huh? And this is just some addition that I just added to the card. It's not a tuck. Another little pocket with some more paper to journal on. Or put a picture on, whatever you want to do. And then I have a little tuck here with a little tag. And this was just a little tag that I got from, well, it was in my stash, and I just thought it would be fun to put in there as a little tuck spot. This one is a little Christmas tree. I love that. Another little flip. Here is a mistletoe poem that I got from, I think it was a Thomas Kincaid book. And then this is a journaling spot. And here I put the little rub-ons. I just thought they were really cute on this paper. And then just another little tag. Another envelope. And this little cute little kitten. A little dove charm. And then just a cardboard piece, chipboard, and a couple more journaling spots. And then I do have this little die. I just put that up there just to kind of give it a little bit of color. And here's a couple of stickers with some pine cones that have fallen. And then our last little tag, I think, and this one has some gems on it. And then I just kind of decorated this up, and this is also a journaling spot. And I put just a little bit of leftover sticker here, just kind of give it a little bit. And then again on the back we have the flip up. You can write under here, you can put a picture, whatever you would like to do. And another little journaling spot. So this one will probably just be called Snowman December Daily in my shop. Okay, so I'm going to go through this one. I love this one. I think it's so pretty. So I kind of did the same thing. I put the ribbon to cover the spine, and then here's the back of it, and another little rub-on. So this one has a dove also, and then I have a little pocket here. I think, no, I just glued that down, with a couple of little tags that you can journal on. Here's that little postcard. You can journal on the back of that in this pocket. And then I added just a little sticker here. Here's a pocket made out of a chimney for fireplace. I thought that was cute. Some journaling spots. And a little gem. And just another little journaling spot. And then just some of that, just a little punch out that I glued down. And this one I put a sticker here. It's a shimmery sticker. And just a little tag that I made. This one does have coffee dyed paper that you can journal on, and you can put something in a little pocket. I just thought that was really cute. And here's a pocket with another little tuck spot if you want to use that. And then just a little tag that I made out of the gold and white, and a little candy cane sticker. And there is journaling on the back of that. Here's an envelope, and I just happen to have this stamp, so I just threw that on. I thought that was kind of cute. There's nothing in these envelopes either. This is just where some of the glue came through, so you can decorate that if you want to, cover it up. Little candy cane. And then this is another side pocket, and I just kind of decorated it with a little stocking, and it's just white on the back for journaling. And then this one you can journal on the front and the back. And then a little pocket with some lace, a little sticker, a couple of tags that you can journal on the back. This is one my husband made. I think that's so pretty. And then just a little tuck spot, just some little gingerbread men and some trees behind them, a little tag, clear white on the back. This one has a little bell, and this is a little flip up. So I was thinking these are probably light enough you could journal on if you'd like to. I think that'd be really pretty. So here's a little tuck spot and under this wreath, and a couple of little journaling spots. And this is Santa's sack. I thought that was really cute. And then I just stuck in a little piece of paper for journaling and a little journaling card that's been tea stained. Just decorated a little bit. I put Santa's boots with his cap on this envelope. And then this really cute flip up. Again, you can journal on this card if you'd like to. And then this, I think I did make that a tuck right there. So I think I'm just going to leave this piece of paper so that whoever gets this can remember that. And then another one of the rub-ons. I love the cards in here. You know, they're more subdued than the other ones, but I really like them. Just some gems. Another flip up, so you can just write in there. Winter is cold days and warm memories. I thought that was pretty nice for this book, because that's pretty much what it is like a memory book. So, and a little rub-on. And then I have another little guy here. He's so cute. I'm just going to stick a piece of paper in here too. Just, there we go. Another envelope. And then the last card, I think, nope, next to the last. And this gem is, or this charm is 2 Christmas trees, a little bell, and it says Merry Christmas on it. There's a little tuck spot with a couple of tags, blank on the back. And then this is a chipboard piece that I made into a little tuck spot. So I just made a little card, or a little tag, and then just a journaling card. It's fun just to use up your scraps for journaling cards. And then here I just wanted to add a little bit of color. So I had some material that had candy canes on it, so I just glued that down. And it kind of brings the red across. I really like that. And then our last one has these really pretty gems. And then has like the Night Before Christmas book open, and I just put a little Christmas tag in there, blank on the back. And then I just kind of decorated this green one with a little bit of holly and ho ho ho, and that's for journaling on the back. And then our little snowman, another little rub-on. And I think this one is so cute. And then this one has a little snow globe rub-on. So I hope you guys like this. If you're interested in either one of these, this one I'll probably put Christmas scene, December daily, and again this one will be snowman December daily in the store. And again, that is Shell Bears Creations on Etsy, and there will be a link below. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know, it's so nice to see all you new subscribers. I really appreciate you being here, and if you'd like to see a tutorial or, you know, have a question, then be sure and leave that in the comment section below. I would appreciate if you subscribed if you're not a subscriber already, and give this video a big thumbs up. Helps out my channel a whole lot. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.